everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon and right now we're going to pick up Georgie in McDonald's and we're going to Clark.
Georgie go to walking street right now. He want take video and rain, heavy rain. He called to me, cannot put camera here because I use phone to take video. That's why I show rain. Every day rain, evening, daytime good weather. And Shaira today not work, one day, rest. So we're going to Clark. First we pick up Georgie from the McDonald's walking street. This is Papala Cup. So big rain in Angeles now. We already near walking street and Georgie in McDonald's. This Georgie. Rain. Georgie. Hi Georgie. Wet. Wet.
Huh?
Wet I said, wet.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to McDonald's. Another McDonald's. And coffee shop. Or you want to change clothes in your home? Not problem, we can go to your home. You change clothes, okay? It's better because you're wet. It's not problem for use car. Okay, we're going to not comfortable now walking. Shaira makeup. Prepare to go to McDonald's. Shaira, what you want? Eat in McDonald's or eat in the SM Clark?
Anything.
Any? Okay.
Just want to eat only.
Only want it. Okay. We just waiting Georgie now. We already arrived, McDonald's, Clark, and we go together with Georgie and Shaira. Little bit rain, but it's okay already. Not big rain. Hi, hi. Shaira use vape again. Shaira have discount in McDonald's, 20%. Yes, Shaira? Good afternoon. Georgie want to choose. What you want, Georgie?
Chicken.
2 chicken. Okay. Okay, you choose it. Not so many people here. Before we been weekend only, also Sunday, so many people. But now time 6:15 and available space. This is discount. Georgie want chicken, you know.
For you?
For me. If change to iced tea, how much need pay?
10 pesos.
Then 10. Water.
Yes, it's water.
Okay. Our food. Yes, you take 2 pieces. What is gravy, Shaira? This is our food. We have how many discount? How much money discount? 83 peso discount. It's good. It's 100 peso only with drinks. Including also potato, fried potato. We're going outside. Already don't have rain. Good weather. Good weather now. So try to wear coffee bean. Yeah. This is coffee bean and pancake house. Yes, yellow cup also. Okay, we will park here. Oh, drive-through also, coffee bean.
It's more cheap here.
Cheap. Calamansi pie. Calamansi pie 195. Yes. A cheesecake 240.
This one is yeah, mine.
This one?
Yes, it's good. It's good.
You want to try? Okay.
And then hot coffee, right?
Hot coffee. Yeah?
Hot for us.
Yes.
Together.
Yes, yes.
Coconut or milk?
You choose what you want. You choose what kind of coffee.
Tapos isang
This is
then we're dining.
lavender. Green tea.
405 na yun.
Can I pay Gcash? Where you want sit? Maybe upper? Upper maybe. Huh? So we're going to second floor. A little bit wet here. But good outside. Wet. Oh, airplanes. Wet here, all table wet, that's why we going to first floor. Georgi, we going to first floor because wet. It's good, but not now. After the rain is wet. Here it's stable. Look here, Georgi. Yeah. Oh, cake. Georgi also same thing. Same cake. We can try. How much? 405.
For 2 person.
No, for one person. One person, 405. It's only for one person. Because we share cake. We don't want it so many sweet. It's large. I remember cake in Russia. More better and more cheaper. But in the Philippines, of course, it's expensive. For this price, can buy in Russia maybe okay. You remember, because I 25 years ago been in Russia. I not long time not know. Maybe expensive now. Okay, Shaira, try this cake. I don't know, good for you or not. You want to take picture? Shaira, take picture. For what? Instagram? No? Yes, look good. Do you like?
I remember
IKEA. Yes, little bit same.
no, same.
Same? Okay, I will try. Georgi, what you think? In IKEA same or not? Did you try in IKEA before? You never been in IKEA. I know. Georgi never been in Manila. You never been in Manila? Never been? Even in airport?
No, only airport.
Maybe someday we go to Manila together. Okay, we will go to Manila together. What about cake?
I think it's not butter.
Yes.
It's I don't know how to say in English. Margarine.
I don't know, I need to check translate.
But inside it's yema.
What inside?
Yema, this one. This is white, yellow. It's popular here in the Philippines. Sometimes they create it and they sell it to another. But it is to school. It's like 5 pesos. You can see in the store also. It's like triangle like this. Or 10 pesos or sometimes 5 pesos.
Okay.
It's good. You can try also.
Okay, Leon will try. I will try also cake. Maybe same, I don't know. In IKEA. Yeah. This is cake same in IKEA. Same. At same price in IKEA 220 peso. One cake. Same price. Yeah, very good. Recommended. Thank you. Shaira won't sleep already. What time you go to work tomorrow?
5.
5 morning. This way. Already good weather, don't have rain. Shaira, what need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Guys, thank you for watching. I say don't have rain, rain again start. So now in Angeles, in the Philippines, every day rain. Daytime, good weather, but evening always rain. Thank you for watching again.